Inside auto count accounting, just now I got show tools option, country and tax here. We have e-invoicing. You put in where is your e-invoicing want to start, and then whether you can allow to create consolidated or not. Okay. And then you have the interim reacting period until when. Okay. This one, if you want to submit invoice from the start. So example, your start date is 1st of August. So interim reacting period, maybe you can put 31st of July 2024, meaning that from the first day you will submit invoice. But for those if invalid, you cannot get the TIN number from your client, you can do consolidate automatically. So normally I will do this. Okay, I can put like this 31st 7 2024. Let's say you start like this. So for more of the my client, they will start from 1st of 2024 25. Okay. Then we put 30. Okay, 30 June 2025. I will put like this. So meaning that on the first day, you submit invoice, it automatically will submit. Okay. 这样子，其他那些不会那些没有 PIN number 的没有 submit fail 的他会做 consolidate。我的 setting 是这样OK， okay, I change back my setting. And then we have the new function called approval for. Okay. So after you enable the e-invoicing, right? We have this one approval for. What is meaning approval for? Okay, I show you now. Inside our invoice, when we click new, or after you enable the module, you see it become approved already and have set draft. Previously it's left and set preview, don't have set draft. Now we have a new function called set draft. Okay. Okay, so now we start. After I enable the tax entity, I go to AR, debtor maintenance, example, auto count, September, edit. So from here, right, you can see I have a lot of tax entity. Then I can search the tax entity. Okay, now how to get the TIN number for AIP server? Let's say this client, AutoCount September don't have TIN number. You get TIN for AIP server, so you search. If you have, right, system will display here. Then you can click update tax entity. Okay. Or you don't have. If you don't have, you can click tax information 你可以按这个 button 去跟你的顾客拿他的 tax entity。这边你打你的 email. From here you key your email. So you get link. Click yes. 这边有一个 link 你 copy 这个 link You copy the link. You see here You can see what you see. You see, you request the company email. Okay. TIN number, business register number, SST, have or not, tourism tax have or not, MSC code. Okay. You can select. So once they're done, they submit. Okay. Once they submit, automatic. When you search, you will find under here already. So you can put your tax entity inside here. Okay. This one find our AIP server. Okay, next. If we want to key manual, how? So when we go to click text, under here we got text entity. Okay, text entity. So text entity now I sorting account Sendian Berhad. Okay, example. So I can input the auto counting number, recent register number, the MSC code, name, phone number, email, address, postcode. You see those red color dot red color star, all is compulsory This one for business, okay, for business For a people, how? For a personal, example, this one is personal, so I click as individual, okay, and then I put my card, my name, phone number, email. So personal, you also need to get but personal, whether maybe they don't have IC number, you know, so auto count automatic they will use this TIN number to submit invoice if you have but normally we need the person IC so we can key the IC, but TIN number we don't know, okay, so we didn't put in. Okay, this one for personal. So for other country, how? For other country like this one is a business, but not is a foreign business. Foreign business no need to put in TIN, no need to put in register number. And when I see code, you put 50 only. Okay, put 50 only. Register name, phone, email, address. This one is Brunei Brunei. So here country will put Brunei I have their postcode I put in Okay, state not applicant Okay, so we have 3 type. So I click new business, we can select. So this one individual, you can see empty one. Okay, and then for government like this. If you do government service, you have supply goods to government, so you need to open invoice also Okay, you see already register name to which department. Okay, so this one very easy. So now we go to stock item. We go to stock item maintenance. So far example, want to sell sofa. Sofa classification here. From here you can read through what classification government need. So if you are a school, private school, then you need to put 010. If you're selling computer, smartphone, tablet, yeah, then you need to put 003. So for others, normally I put others. So far, no inside here, so I will put others. Okay, 022, like this. And then the measurement, where is it? Inside here, others. Here, invoice measurement. So we can put. For sofa, I can put this one, 3621. But this one are not compulsory. This one not compulsory. Whether you want to put or don't want to put, is depend on you Okay, 你要不要放都可以这 invoicing measurement 政府暂时不是 required field. Okay, but classification 是Okay, save 起来。Okay, after save, now we go to try e-invoice under sales, we go invoice. We click new. So example, I want to sell to auto count Sdn Bhd. Okay, then I want to sell sofa. Under sofa, I want to sell 1 pieces. So classification code automatic put in. Let's say I want to sell another thing called back frame but classification I forgot to put in So when I approve, click yes, you can see system it will show there are some detail missing classification code. 所以 classification code 没有放很重要你 set 不到的。Didn't put in, you cannot save. Okay, so here I put in 022. So I approve it. Yes. Okay, see the invoice. So see this invoice under here, under pending. Invoice status pending, refresh. So it become valid already. So after valid, we preview. We use this format got Malaysia e-invoice click OK. So under here, we have the validation link. So this validated link, when you inside AutoCount, you can check you click. This one depend on SGN server because when you click your internet will go to server to get it SGN server. So my company sell to AutoCount, total payable 3,000. So today submit then what time submit, then what time get validated. You can see the time is the same. Actually, LHDN using not even 1 second to validate the invoice 啊，所以不用1秒啊，它就 validate 了。OK，我们回来这边。So from here, you can use your handphone to scan also, so you can check. Okay. Okay. After that, close the window first. Lot. So my customer sometimes they will ask, I want to open invoice. Let's say copy to new invoice. I want to bet that the invoice can or not. Today 17. Let's say, client say, Ricky, I want the invoice date on 10, cannot. Okay, I say okay. Agree 10. So I approve. Click yes. System can save. So after save, we go to see this one. This one on 10. Pending, right? So I refresh. See invalid. Why invalid? We go to see the detail. Issue that time value of documents is too old, cannot be submitted. Why? Okay. So we go to government portal and check. So I will log into the portal. So I select. Okay. Go to my invoice. I want to show you why we cannot bet that. I create new document. Now I want to do the invoice inside portal. Don't want to use auto count. When I overwrite the date time issue, I put 10. You see whether I can put 10 or not. You see, it's disabled already. So not able to do. Okay, only up to 3 days, including today is 4 days 只能开到3天前的单罢了。如果包满今天的话是4天只能17号只能开14号罢了。OK，所以为什么 auto count submit 不到？But auto count have a function have a function. This invoice not able to submit, right? So, but I still want to submit. How? Okay. Customer said, I still want the 10, the invoice date on the 10. How? Okay, what I do? See, edit, edit out. After edit, on the top still have edit button here. Click on here. So on the back here, we have a e-invoice issue date time. Click on it. Change it to today. Or 14 also can. Let's say put 14. Okay. So I save. Okay, my invoice pending already. Refresh. You see? We edit already. Okay. So inside my portal. So this one, close it. Inside my invoice portal, you can still see this one. That time issue 14. But that time receive 17 only receive. Okay, click inside. So supplier is who? Buyer is who? You see contact number, email, this one all inside here. Then I sell what? One sofa, one bed frame. Total how much? Okay. So from here we have the function easy for you. Let's say you still want to open bad debt invoice. Okay, you still want to open bad debt invoice. You still can do it. Okay. Okay, now I go back to invoice. Okay. And customer say, example, I already issue invoice. Today is 17. Today is 17. They say, I want to adjust the price, or they call me, say, price wrong. Okay. The sofa price 3,000, not 2,000. How? So I go home and I click edit. I click unit price 3,000. You can see 3,000. I'm not able to change anything already. Okay. Meaning that I change it already. So when you submit to government portal already, right? This amount, this one, you cannot change anything under here. Whatever you submit is submitted. You cannot do any amendment. Okay. The only thing can amend is not related to e-invoice example description want to put this one false fast that is 3 plus 1 no. This one you can set because it's not related to e-invoice. Okay, so you can edit. Red frame, this one maybe red color, you can put in. You still can change. You still can save. Okay, inside your auto count, you still can change it. Okay, you add something. But this one, quantity, all cannot change. If you still want to change, how? Okay, how? We have a web button. So void your invoice. Redo again. Redo again. Void it. Here you put in customer the wrong price. Okay. Customer say wrong price. Connection fail. Okay, you see, sometimes it fail. So I do again. The wrong price. Okay, work already. Wait 掉了So we go to portal and check this one. Cancel. Okay. Why cancel? Customer say wrong price. So what I type, it will submit to government also. Now we go to see credit note. Credit note also same. When you do it, you can select from which company you want to transfer for invoice. Example, this one. You click OK. Here, classification code automatic have already. So click approve. Region, I don't want to fill in. Okay, save it. So pending. So refresh. Valid already. Preview. Using the CN Malaysia invoice. Okay, the QR code also here. Click on here. Okay, automatically show already 140. So that submitted when okay. Okay, inside auto count, we have the stock under stock item maintenance. Let's say I sell car when no a new item code. This one is a sport car example. I want to sell 100,000. You can see here on the back, there's a button called must generate e-invoice. Must generate e-invoice. I click on it. Click OK. This one is a one you need. Click OK. Sport car. So when I do sales invoice, click new. I want sale to auto count. Okay. And then edit button here, I say I don't want to submit invoice. Here, put sport car. So I approve. Yes. Okay, can go through. Okay. So your invoice won't be submitted. Okay, nothing. Nothing. But when you want to do consolidated, you cannot do. Okay. One more thing. Edit. I do a new thing again. I go to auto count Sdn Berhad. Okay, I want to sell sofa again. And I want to sell pen. Okay, pen here put 022. And then that I put 18. I want to do it tomorrow. But I cannot save, right? I click approve. Document that cannot submit future date. Cannot write. So what I do, I set a draft. Okay. Inside here, there's a draft. So you can see 18. Okay, this one. So tomorrow morning, I come to office. What I can do? Can click on here, then approve. Okay, you can check all lah. Maybe sometimes customer they want to do invoice early. So actually we can do it early also. But on that day, come to office, go to draft here and click approve. Click the approve button. So easier lah. So see we have a draft function. Mm. And then for draft, not everyone can do approve. We have access right under here. Invoicing, we have new access right. After you upgrade to 2.2, approve invoice. See who can approve. Okay, some customer they want to use this one to control their access also. They want to do checking. So this function can use for do checking so before issue invoice. Okay. Inside, normally now I talk about import first. I buy goods from other country. So I click news. And so that supplier from other country. Example, I buy what? I buy sofa, 100 unit, 1,000. 1,000. Okay, put in their invoice number, PO number. Today, receive the access. Normally, I do this only, right? But you need to do one more step. One more step. On this invoice, you can right click. So we have the new function. Okay, copy to new cell view. Okay, copy to new cell view.
What?
Okay. After copy to new cell view, then you can see from who is your supplier. You can select under here. Okay. So this one tax entity I do already. I do linking already. So this one is others. But actually you can change 034 because this one is imported goods. Okay, I can change to 034 imported goods. And then I want to do for sale bill invoice. Okay, sale bill. So sale bill here we got 4 type CN, DN, and one. Okay. So I just click approve. Okay, where is it? Under here, sale bill. You can see valid already. Today date. Okay, 17. You want to print out also can. You can preview and print out. Okay. So this one you see got invalid. Okay. That one is for import. Okay. About I want to talk about I pay commission or I pay service. Example, new payment voucher. And then tax entity here I select. I don't want to type. I don't want to type. I select under here. Ricky Tang. Okay. Using cash. Payment to Ricky Tang. Add this one. Maintenance have or not? Let me see. Commission. Give Ricky commission. Commission for rent house. Okay. And then amount 1,000. Okay. So save it and save preview. Okay, you can do it. This one, Ricky not a business. It's an individual. Doesn't have any business. 没有生意的要这样做。So right click, you need to do cell view. 这个要做 cell view. 按 copy to new cell view, automatic. So the number will apply already. This one commission for rent house. This one put others because not imported. So approve. So you go back to here. You can see pending, fresh, see valid already. Okay, you preview and see sale bill. So sale bill also under here. We take a look. So you can see supplier is who? Ricky Tang. Buyer is who? Because I pay Ricky 1,000. So the detail is what? Under document, sale bill here. You can see the detail. My IC number, MIC code, This one company one okay. Com for rent house one, okay. And then just now the sale, another sale bill, this one. You can see the amount USD currency rate also government also need to know, okay. And then the total amount is USD okay, because just now I import goods okay. So this one sale bill. This one when you go to shop, you buy things for your office, maybe you want e-invoice, okay, you can do like this. Now I want to sell sofa. I want to buy sofa. Okay. I pay cash. 2,000. Okay. So inside system here, there's a function called print QR submission. I click OK, I print receipt. Okay, then system will print a receipt. I put the receipt 5555. So submit. Okay. Then we open the receipt and see. Okay. 30 5555. Okay, this receipt number. Okay. And then this QR code. Who want to try to scan? You can scan. You scan the QR code and then fill in. You can fill in your detail and then you submit. You try what you will get. Okay. So I'll give you second for you all to scan and try. Scan QR code, what you will get So you because some if you didn't try, you didn't know. So but I will display here. You will get this Okay. Press it. See. So from here, you buy from who? You need to fill in this. Your name, email, if individual, whether your team, your IC, contact number, email, address, postcode, all you need to fill in and then click submit. I try okay. My card, my phone number, okay, address. So I click submit. Confirm. Okay, buyer information submitted successful. You will receive an e-invoice by email shortly. Email shortly. Invoice here. So this one yesterday one okay. Double click. You will receive a invoice like this from your email. Okay. There's this link. You click allow. Let's see how it look like this. Supplier is who, buyer is who. Okay. So how to check the status whether AutoCount post or resend? Under here, we have function called e-invoice monitor. Click on here. See validated one, submitted one, then pending for upload. Okay, you can refresh. Okay. Pending send email to customer. Okay. Pending send email to customer. See 14 receipt. Is that 1014 just now double click. Okay. What's the UID? Just now I fill in right. Okay. So far 2000. So link also here. Okay. In your portal. Let us see the portal. See D014. So AutoCount will help you to submit because I request invoice. Okay. Auto So you no need to worry. You want to easier you can use this function QR. Or you can do manually. Search this one. You click submit invoice. Let's say I put tomorrow yesterday date. See got or not I think I do manual one, another one. Okay. Back frame 1,000. Do cash. Okay, 1,000. I get the receipt already. Now I don't want to print. Okay, okay. Go back to Excel. I find the bill, search it. So 1000, I click submit. This one meaning that I need to do manually. Immediate in front of customer. Customer say, I want e-invoice. What I do? Key their name, IC, email, address, all thing, and then submit. Okay, and then click submit. We have write cut function also. So meaning that customer got IC, we can read their name, their address, we can put in automatic from IC. Okay, this one manual lah. Okay, this one for post system. Okay, consolidate invoice. Okay, so I click new. So I put 1st of January until today for all the thing I want to do. Generate. Okay, you double click, then you can see. You see my bill. This one from post system, for post system. Okay, the mention under 004. Okay, this one auto one. You no need to worry. Okay. We'll click new first. Day I submit. Then we see portal, what portal we show. Click save. So pending. Submitted. Valid. Okay. Valid already. We go to portal and check. Here. This one. So portal will display this one also. See what bill to what bill. System will display. Okay. Okay. Next, consolidated we know already. Under invoice, under invoice submission status here. Okay, under here we can check what is pending, what is valid. Okay, so what document want to check? We search, we search. So all under here. Okay, all under here. Okay, so all status. Normally I will check lah. Maybe I want to check invalid only. Invalid as such. Have or not? Have. Okay. Sale bill invalid. Okay, now we know here is sale bill invalid, right? How sale bill invalid? Okay. Sale bill invalid but just now you see the consolidated don't have, right? How? So one thing I need to do for sale bill, click new. I want to do console sale bill. Here we have a function called console sale bill. Console sale bill is different. Click here, automatically become general public already. So I copy from others. I search and then I check which one is invalid. Okay. Invalid. I want to submit those invalid. How? Click on it. Click OK. System automatic will put inside here. Okay. Then you click approve. So this one is consolidated for sale bill. Consolidated for sale bill. Okay. So submitted. Okay, ready already. We go portal and check. Consolidated sale bill. See? Okay. System automatic help you to console already. Okay. So consolidate sale bill. So have. Okay, next.